This is the shortest mindset blueprint that I have used to 3x my wealth, and I have personally tightened it down to a few minutes to accommodate your attention span. Now, most people between 18 to 44 years of age make the same grave mistake, and the problem is you are doing the same. That's why there are 20 and 30-year-olds who are becoming overnight millionaires, and you are sitting behind the screen watching their success. To fix this, you need to understand the first step to winning the money game. You need to be wealthy in your mind first before seeing wealth in your life. And the only way to do it is to start with opening your financial DNA. What that means is you need to stop hyper-focusing on numbers, the calculations, your income and expenses, and start recognizing how your attitude, your younger age experiences, your identity and relationship with money is affecting your wealth. This is less about how much you can make a year from now and more about how you could have made more in this very moment. And your ability to become a millionaire is dependent more on your behavior than your knowledge. So let me prove it to you. What we believe is what we act on, which means if you believe a commercial that says a Mercedes will bring you respect and happiness, you might just buy one. You become a buyer because you believe what that commercial said. You check out 10 different models, colors, specifications, research for a couple of months, and ultimately buy the car. But it all started with that belief that you could be happy and respected if you had the car. And with that belief, you now have a car and $46,000 less in your account. Your wealth is directly proportional to your beliefs. Every time you ignore your beliefs and their impact in favor for countless hours deciding what stocks to invest in, what real estate to invest in, you end up impacting your financial life way more than you think. And when things go south, it's easy to blame our investment decisions, not our financial DNA. So at least once a month, I need you to review your biggest incomes and expenses and understand your financial DNA behind them. And understanding your financial habits is the first step, but how you make your first million, billion, or possibly trillion is just as important. Let's take the medium of YouTube, for example. You could have the same subscriber base, the same level of engagement, but completely different monetization capability based on your strategy. There are creators who make a few $100s a year with AdSense and brand deals. Now, mind you, that is not bad money, but there are others who have found easier ways to make much more. There are creators that have built businesses worth millions or even billions of dollars from the same exact community. So open your mind to new strategies in your area of work. Think like an investor. Use opportunities to create a ripple effect, something that grows and multiplies over time. Maybe explore AI, sustainable products, e-learning, home organization, digital marketing. The opportunities are unlimited. But before you start, you also need to tap into mental leverage. Mental leverage of both your emotions and your actions. What emotion will you feel right now if I told you that at the end of this year, you would have achieved the financial wealth that you desire? Whatever that amount is, if you are completely sold on the idea that your financial success is definite, no setback throughout the year could make you feel differently. Throughout the year, you would feel excited, confident, and relieved. That belief in your success would push you to take action, stay motivated, and keep going no matter what happens. When you feel certain about achieving your goals, you approach challenges with the right energy. This is your emotional leverage. And for actions, I want you to take empowered actions. This means working smarter, not harder. Big wealth doesn't come from working more hours for money. If you work for a company and earn $50 or $80 an hour, you're trading your limited time for limited income. There's only so much time in a day, so your income is capped. I want you to get unlimited wealth, and this is my mission for 2025, to help you align your mindset to build unlimited wealth. And if you think you're ready, join me in my webinar next month. I'd love to help you tap into techniques that I have developed. Let's keep the momentum going. I will see you next time. Bye.